Okay, so I have been kind of busy recently, so I haven't had time to upload a video. This video we're gonna go in and finish up the enemy and players interactions. But first thing I want to do is when I first tried making this video today, I was running into a problem and I realized the enum player state we've added for the player, we were missing. I believe it was just one variable, but you need to make sure you have normal, jump, fall, land, die, next, start, and bounce. So to fix this issue, I decided I'm going to go in and make a global script here that contains our states. And first, we're going to go in, we're going to create a new folder that's going to be called globals. And this script is going to be called states.gd. Create that. And in here, we're just going to go into, let's take this, player states, bring that here, paste that. So now, anytime we want to further add more player states, we just go in here and add it. So let's quickly first go in and fix that in here. We're going to go in and delete this. Now, if we go, it says error on line 60, go in here. Let's first go into our project, go into autoload, path, go to globals and add states here and click add. Now we have access to that variable as long as we just put here in front of here, states, and then just dot. So now we're also going to go into the player. I'm going to delete player states here. And now every place we have, let's do search, replace. Every place that we see player state, we're going to replace this with states, and dot player state. So replace all. And let me just turn that off, I believe. Now, if we press play, looks like everything is working properly. So now that that small thing was handled, now we can go in and finish up the player. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add two functions here. I'm gonna add a function called bounce. This one will be taking our character and increasing his jump velocity. And this, we're only going to do 0.6 of the height, so it's not going to do a full jump. And also, for this game, I'm going to make sure that every time you land on an enemy, it resets the amount of air jumps you have, so you can use enemies to further increase your jump range. And last but not least, we're going to do a change state here. Now we do states, player state, and call jump here. Next, we have one more. I'm going to do ouch here. And we're going to make sure it passes the enemy position X. And what we're going to do, every time we get hit, I'm going to say, change our color. This was just random value I picked. But you guys can go in and play around with this. Just go in, like, check the player sprite and go to like the modulate section and just look for a color there and then try translating it so it fits here. Next, what we're also going to do is when you get hit, we're also going to have a small jump. So it's like the player is getting hit and we're going to move him a little bit up. Next, we're going to go in here and add some other stuff here where based off the position, we're going to add some velocity to the player and move them away from the enemy. velocity.x equals 100. And last but not least, we're just going to go in here and say collision shape, set deferred, disabled, true. So that's it for those two methods. Actually, one more thing, we got to go in here, get tree, call group, I believe, game, and then load level. There we go. So I'm just making sure there's nothing else we missed here. Okay, that looks good. So now, last but not least, we need to make sure we actually have the ability to change states in our state machine here. So the states, player state bounce, and we're going to call it and tell it to go into the bounce method here. Okay, so now with that out of the way, let's go in and test to make sure this works. So we're going to go here. There, that looks good. Let's reset the level. Go in here, get hit. Looks like it works. And we could test the other direction, but I believe based off that, looks like it's all working properly. So we have a little bit of time. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add to our game here, we're going to add a canvas layer. And we're also going to go in here. We're just going to start setting this up, just the user interface, but this is going to be the player UI. We're going to add a label here. We're going to call this label coins. So this is going to update how many coins we have, and then we're going to add texture rect. And let's just save this on the scenes and call it player UI. And let's also go here and instance the player UI. Okay, so that should be everything. We're gonna have to go in here and add the rest here in the next video. But I did wanna end this video a little early just to mention that I am still working on a game devlog. I just, like in the beginning of the video I mentioned, I've been busy and I haven't had time to do anything. I did get a few things done, but it wasn't enough to make a video. I'm planning to, hopefully there won't be any problems this week, have a video out for next week and update probably every other month, or no, every month. That's what I plan to do. So videos are going to be spread out month to month, and I'm going to try in between those videos as well, uploading some tutorial videos showing how to make it a tutorial platformer. So with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye.